Lesson number 5 is that brings out more in the paper of the drawing. Lesson number 5 is about adding horizon or frame lines that will create a fake perspective or create a depth in a drawing that you maybe didn't know existed. See, I'll take the 2 drawings we did in lesson number 4, the outlines, and I'll use the same just to tell you what you can do. And remember, I'm using this like very sketchy way, so it doesn't look proper. You can always later put them underneath the paper and we'll have, and I'll show you, a better sketch eventually in the end. But for the beginning, we'll just sketch on these and make them look finished. See, exactly for the 3-dimensional, remember the 3-dimensional with the vanishing lines, a horizon could be a very good thing to do. And the horizon can either be all the way up here. That gives the impression that you're looking on a table, that this is standing on something, and the horizon up here is looking on a table. But the horizon can also, which is I think is much more emphasizing, be behind the product. And what it does is it cuts the product, but it gives the product a connection to the paper, and it makes an impression when you emphasize it. And I'll emphasize it with a different color this time. I actually emphasize it with a red, because that's the one I have at the moment. When you emphasize this, it gives the impression that, oh, suddenly I added something to my paper. I added something depth, and that's very helpful. See, just for the fun of it at the moment, if this horizon background was true, and maybe this was transparent, a little trick is that you don't draw it so it's straight through. You draw it like, you make a little dots like this, that tells it that it's an uneven dot. It tells that this line passes something transparent. It is like looking through a glass and seeing things where they actually shift. Let me tell it by looking through some glasses. I'll put them here. And if you look at the lines, they'll probably break differently when it goes here and how you see it passing through the glasses. So in that sense, we add the illusion by making very straight and then very sketchy and then very straight again, that this is actually breaking a transparent material. We can do the same for the 2D drawing. We can make a horizon line like this. And already now it gives some depth to it. But actually what I normally do by 2D drawing is I actually add some kind of framing behind it, because it gives a background in a different way. It's like it stands in a room and there's some room to a wall behind it. And I normally add some color to it. And suddenly we have the frame behind. If this was transparent, well, it's a bit difficult with other. Then I'll do something like this. I have to do it up here too. And then I have to do a few telling that, well, it's transparent. And at all the holes, I need to do like this. And suddenly, this tells us a better story maybe about the product. And then we add some depth in this way to frame or to make a line behind it. See, we all remember that when we look into the horizon, it has some depth to it also. So what you can do is you can actually add a bit of telling that there's something out there that is the depth of the size. So this is 2 simple techniques to frame your thing, to add an information around it, a frame or horizon line. Good luck and enjoy it.